Alright, I'm going to try again. Well, this is the new machine, all polished up. You could see from the previous photo what it looked like. It was not pretty. So I've worked on it and polished it up the best I could. I think it looks pretty good compared to how it was. If I could get the flash on there, you could read the number on there, but I can't get the flash to come on this camera. This was all ugly. Now you can see how shiny it is. I don't know if you can read those numbers on here. I don't know if you can through this video or not. This is one of my favorite parts right here, how the measuring tape is engraved into inlaid into the table cabinet, and the curves on this cabinet, and it has a lock. The whole thing's got locks everywhere, I guess so for safety for the kids. I don't have it threaded up yet. The next thing that I don't even have a needle on it now. The next thing I am going to do is get the belt on it and get it threaded. And my next video of this machine, I'm going to have it running. Can't really get to the back of the machine because of the way I have it set up here. But there she is. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye.